Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to File, New Composition, or Composition, New Composition. Name it whatever you want. We'll just call it Typography. And then create some text. Selection tool to position it. And then bring out this drop down so you can see the position attributes. And then we want to start it up here on frame 0. So then just keyframe it, position, scale, and rotation. And then we'll go some frames later, and then just position it how you want to end up. And then just drag this closer to the end of the animation so it loops. And then what we want to do to make the keyframe smoother is right click it, or select it first and right click. Keyframe Assistant Easy Ease. And then make sure that on the layer, if you don't have this up already, hit toggle switches. And then hit motion blur. Motion blur for the layer and motion blur for the composition. And then now it should have motion blur. Once you've done that, we can hide this and create new text called slide. And just turn it back on. And after the first text ends, you want to go some frames after that for the slide to come in. And let's do the start position first. And just drag out the transform attributes. Hit position, scale, and rotation. Go some frames later. And then make your end position. And then if you go back to the first keyframes, whatever you do will override it. So let's just start out of the frame. And then we'll do the same thing. Select it, keyframe assistant, easy ease, and then turn on motion blur for the layer. And we don't have to turn on the motion blur for the composition because we already did that earlier. And it's pretty much it.